Hello and welcome. Today, we will embark on a journey to understand the fundamental number systems that computers use and how humans have adapted to them. Let's explore the basics of decimal, binary, and hexadecimal number systems. You can see a grid with 3 items. The first item is the decimal number 10. The second is the binary number 1010. The third is the hexadecimal alphabet A. So, what exactly is a number system? A number system is a systematic way of representing numbers using a specific set of symbols and rules. There are 3 key concepts here. The first concept is the base or radix, which is the number of unique digits used in the number system. The second concept is position, that is, the place value of the digits, which matters a lot. And the third concept is symbols, where digits represent values. Let's start with the decimal system, which is base 10. The characteristics of decimal numbers are that it uses 10 digits, 0 through 9. It is the most familiar number system to humans. It is a position-based system where each position represents a power of 10. For example, the number 472. Here, the 2 is in the position of 10 to the power 0, the 7 is in the position of 10 to the power 1, and the 4 is in the position of 10 to the power 2. Now, let's explore the binary system, which is base 2. Binary system uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1. This is the language of computers and represents on or off, true or false. Each position in a binary number represents a power of 2. For example, the binary number 1011. Starting from the right, the first one is 2 to the power of 0. The next one is 2 to the power of 1. The 0 is 2 to the power of 2, and finally the 1 is 2 to the power of 3. Now let's take a look at the hexadecimal system, also known as base 16. The characteristics of hexadecimal numbers are that it uses 16 symbols, 0 through 9 and A through F. It provides a compact binary representation and is commonly used in programming. Each position in a hexadecimal number represents a power of 16. The 16 symbols used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, and F. Number system conversion refers to converting numbers between different number systems. For example, the decimal number 42 with base 10 is equivalent to the binary number 101010 with base 2. This represents the same value but with different representations. Why do computers use binary? There are several reasons. Firstly, electrical circuits have 2 stable states. On, which is represented by 1, and off, which is represented by 0. Secondly, it provides reliability, as it is simple to distinguish between 2 states, which reduces errors and noise. Thirdly, it provides hardware simplicity, as logic gates and transistors work efficiently with binary operations. Lastly, it is based on Boolean logic, which is a perfect match for true or false logic that computers use for decisions. Let's explore some real-world applications of these number systems. In color codes, web colors use hexadecimal, such as FF5733, which represents red-orange. In memory addresses, computer memory locations are represented in hexadecimal, such as 0x7FFF5FBFF690. In data encoding, file formats and protocols use binary, such as base 64 and UTF-8. And in machine code, processor instructions are written in binary, such as 1011000011000001. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.